All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to go over the answers, or how you would get the answers to these 3 problems for practice. So it says, how many grams are in 34 liters of nitric acid? So nitric acid, remember, is H because it's an acid, and you know it's not just an N because there's no hydro. So it's this. This is a +1, that's a -1, so they cancel. All right, so there's my formula. The mass of this is 62.985. This is just so we have it for later on. So it says, how many grams are in 34 liters? So if I've got 34 liters of HNO3, to get out of liters, 1 mole equals 22.4 liters. Okay, now my liters can cancel. So I'm dividing 34 by 22.4. And now I want to go to grams. So 1 mole, they cancel, equals the 62.985 grams. And when I do that, so 34 divided by 22.4 times 62.985, this is going to give me 95.6022 grams of HNO3. All right, let's look at the next one. So the next one is calcium chloride. So to write your formula, calcium and Cl. This is +2, -1, so I've got ClCl2. The mass of this is 110.978, okay? So it says how many, and we won't even need that. So I did that work for nothing. It says how many molecules are in 25 moles. So I'm already in the middle, right? So to get out of moles, I have to multiply. So 25 moles, equals 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules over 1 mole. All right, so 25 times 6.02 to the 23rd is going to give me 1.5 times 10 to the 25th molecules. Okay, so look, this was my mistake. Think about why I didn't need that. I'm simply already at moles, so I don't have to go to grams, and I'm trying to get to molecules. All right, last problem. It says how many liters are in 7.8 times 10 to the 24th molecules of copper sulfate. So do we need to know the mass? No, because I'm looking for liters. And remember, liters is on the bottom side of your mole map, okay? And so to start off, let's write down what we've got. 7.8 times 10 to the 24th, and this is molecules. To get out of molecules, we divide. Because we're trying to get into moles. So 1 mole equals 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd molecules. All right, and then I want to get to liters. My conversion is 22.4 liters over 1 mole. Remember, this part right here is how we get out. See how you're dividing to get out of a unit, and you're multiplying to change into a unit. So I needed to get out of molecules. That's why I divide. That puts me in moles. And then to get out of moles, I multiply by the 22.4 liters. So if I put that in my calculator, 7.8 times 10 to the 24th divided by 6.02 to the 23rd, all right, times 22.4, I should get 290.233 liters of copper 2 sulfate. Okay, so check to see if you got those 3 problems right.